Now you may be wondering, what is this PPC thing and should I even do it? A lot of people that ask that question might be because they're confused about organic results versus PPC results. So I want to make sure that we're very clear what the difference is between your organic and your paid search and why that is important when it comes to sponsored ads. So your organic search is simply the results that appear when a shopper does a search query on Amazon, and it is the results that are under the sponsored ads that you do see in Amazon. If you pay close attention, if you've never paid attention before, sponsored ads will always have a word sponsored in the tile somewhere, typically in the lower right-hand corner. Now, the organic results are below that, and these are just on pages that you see, first page, second page, third page. There's multiple pages now of results. And organic is how Amazon places you or displays your product based on that customer search. So again, if you've done a good job with your product listing and you've got really relevant keywords into your title, into your description, even your back-end keyword pages, you're likely going to be able to rank for those particular keywords. And that is basically what organic is. So where you place, again, is based on determined by your product ranking score with Amazon. And there's all kinds of things we can talk about product ranking score. But here we're going to be talking about how PPC helps you with that. So now paid search is obviously the opposite of organic. You're actually paying to be seen. So those sponsored product ads show up in several different places. This image here, you can kind of see in orange some of the placements that do appear for sponsored ads. Top of the page, middle of the page, sidebar, even on product detail pages, which we'll cover later on. Now, these are really great for exposure for people who are searching for your particular ad, and you might not be yet ranking for those particular keywords. So this is one reason why, if you want to be seen, especially if you're new to have a brand new product that you've launched, PPC is one way to quickly be able to do that. So some other reasons to run PPC. Now, these sales can influence a product's organic ranking on Amazon for specific keywords. So because your products might be new, they're going to lack any kind of sales history or relevancy for Amazon to be able to reference. So Amazon PPC is one way to validate a new product, and they're converting keywords within Amazon. PPC also allows you to level the playing field against maybe some larger brands or larger sellers that you might see that are ranking organically on Amazon for certain keywords. With Amazon PPC, you can build visibility for the relevant keywords associated with your product right alongside the largest brands. So this is really important, again, especially if you're brand new to selling. If you've got a lot of competitors that have been doing it for a long time with an established name, PPC is one way to really easily potentially show up right next to those larger established brands. Now, research also shows that products on the first page of the search results get at least 80% of all the clicks, while the first 3 listings on page 1 get at least 60% of those clicks. Additionally, only 30% of shoppers go beyond page 1 of the search results. So this also emphasizes if you're not ranking high organically, you definitely want to use PPC to get yourself in those top positions, because these are the ones that are getting the bulk of the sales on Amazon. So what's the reason you should be doing product ads? It's simple. Sponsored ads are really important because they give your product a boost, especially at launch when no one has ever seen your product before and you don't have any ranking yet. It helps shoppers quickly discover your product. You can grow your sales and increase your revenues. You can build your ranking with Amazon. Again, the more keywords that you make sales on, you're going to improve that ranking for that particular keyword. And that is what you want. That's going to help you eventually with your organic performance along the way. So PPC is really beneficial for all these different reasons, but it also helps with your organic ranking down the line.